Hello students, welcome to Sourceport International School learning session for subject Chemistry, third lesson Elements, Compounds and Mixture. Sourceport is one of the leading name helps students in their life course through schooling, sports and life skills. Today I am going to teach elements, compound and mixtures. In this today's class, we are learning about what is a pure substance, right characteristics and properties of pure substance, what is a mixture, and the characteristics and properties of impure substances. So let's start. We know that matter, yes, we have learned in the previous classes, matter on the basis of composition, properties and uses, substances present around us, it is divided into mixtures and pure substances. And again, mixtures are divided into heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Whereas the pure substances, on the constant composition, it is divided into elements and compounds. Everything that exists in the earth is a form of a matter, which is further defined as any substance that occupies space and has mass. The matter is further divided into various forms such as solids, liquid, and gases. Apart from this, it is also classified as pure substances and mixtures. So let's start. What is a pure substance? Pure substance are substances that are made up of only one kind of particles and has a fixed or a constant structure. Pure substances are further classified as elements and compounds. An element is a substance that consists of only one kind of atom. An element is a pure substance as it cannot be broken down or transformed into a new substance even by using some physical or chemical means. Elements are mostly metals, non-metals or metallides. Compounds, on the other hand, are also pure substances. When two or more elements are combined chemically in a fixed ratio, however, these substances can be broken down into separate elements by a chemical methods. So we are learning about the characteristics, properties of pure substances. Pure substances are mostly homogeneous in nature. Homo means same kind in nature, containing only one type of atoms or molecules. These substances mainly have a constant or a uniform composition throughout. The substances have fixed boiling and melting points. Pure substances usually participate in a chemical reaction to form predictable products. What are the examples of pure substances? Some of them are gold, copper, oxygen, chlorine, diamond, etc. These are the examples of elements, and the compounds such as water, salt or crystals, baking soda, among these are also grouped as a pure substances. Now what is a mixture? Mixture. A substance on the other hand is impure if it consists of different kinds of elements combined together physically and not chemically. Impure substances, also called mixtures. Mixtures are further divided into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures, occasionally called a solution, is comparatively unvarying and conforming or constant. Every unit of the mixture is like every other unit. For instance, if you liquefy sugar in water and blend it really well, your concentration is essentially the same no matter where you sample it. This mixture contains two or more chemical substances. Now, a heterogeneous mixture is a concoction whose Configuration varies from spot to spot within the sample. Example, if you put a little amount of sugar in a vessel, add some sand and then shake the jar a couple of times. Your concussion doesn't have the same configuration all throughout the jar. As the sand is heftier, there is a possibly more amount of sand at the time of the jar and more sugar at the top part. These mixtures can be identified visually and separated easily by physical means. Now, what are the characteristics and properties of mixtures of impure substance? It does not have any specific properties. The properties of the mixtures are a result of the average properties of all the constituents. It is formed as a result of a physical change. They have a variable composition. Their melting and boiling points are different. Here are some examples of mixtures. Some common examples of mixtures include gases like nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere, a solution like water and oil, gas and liquid such as water, solid and liquid such as sand and sand. So these are the examples of mixtures. Now let's find out the differences between pure substance and mixture. Pure substance cannot be broken down or separated into new products, whereas the mixtures can be separated using different separation methods. And in pure substance, these are constant physical and chemical properties. Properties of the pure substances are constant, physical and chemical properties. Mixtures have varying physical and chemical properties, whereas in pure substances consist of a single element. Pure substances consist of a single element and mixtures is a combination of two substances or elements.